Puta, inap.
Double. Hindi mo na-call?
Oo! Pa! I didn't turn on our game! Our first game! What the? The first game!
Hey, that was a good game.
Yeah, good game. Then, bumawi ka. Yeah, pasahan yan. But too much pasahan na nga eh.
Too much naman.
Oo. Kasi 93 seconds eh. Ilang beses yung tatlo? 3 seconds. Pero nag-shoot. Pero 3 seconds. Tawagin. I didn't turn on in our first game.
What?
I forgot to turn on.
Oh, dude. How am I going to prove my wife that I was shooting the ball, man?
Also, Andrew is doing a monster game.
Oh, man.
How can he tell his wife that, I'm fake?
I like that play.
Here goes second game. Moving the Rollers team, Hardwood Legends, Fortune number 1, and the C6 Lovers, the number 3 in the West.
Joy, kahit ka muna, Joy. Oh.
Fish to the ball. To this cross. See the Woo, give me the ball, Woo! Good.
Guys, automatic 2 points for Hardwood Legends because of the shorts of franchise.
2 points. Fish to the ball. To backside for me, no good. Rebound right now. Down to the ball. Down. No good. To Kenneth to the ball. To backside. Oh. Corner. Angel to the ball. To Ryan Bertini, no good. Rebound by Vincent. To Fish to the ball. Fish. To Ken. To Chris. What a pass. And a pass. 2-all. To Angel. To Ryan. No good. Rebound by Vincent. To Fish to the ball. To Brighton. Corner, Brighton.
Fish. Dua.
Angel, jump shot. No good. Rebound by Vincent again. Whoa. Rebound naman sa Vincent. Vincent. And whoa! 4-2. Again, Vincent, 1 free throw. Six minutes. 9 points. Goes for 1 for Vincent. Again. Again, move. for 3! Whoa! This is awkward. He only shoot 3 points here in Ating Morin. Okay, to please. To franchise for 3! Good. Okay, to please. Good, rebound Vincent. Steal by Vincent. Vincent. Oh, good work, blue. Assist. Assist. Oh, 7. Again, rebound by good. To franchise, rebound by franchise. No, steal by Brian. To Gus. To top for 3. Bang. Assist by Josh Walker. Get it in the ball. To Fish Delta. Oh! Okay. To Fish. To franchise. To Fish. Junction. To the game. Rebound by MJ. Wow, brilliant. Okay. Number 5? Ah, 5
No, 10-7. You're up. Team. Hold here.
Again.
Stop, you ready, stop!
Ready for stop, guys. Okay. To franchise. What is this? Chris Cruz. Ready for stop. To just for 3. Ready for stop, guys. 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Yes. Fish. Good. To work, rebound, Whoa. Rebound, AJ. To Josh for 3 again. Oh, good. Rebound, Vincent. Substitution.
Ayaw lumakas yun. 6 lang kayo. Hoy, 6 lang kayo. You only got 6, bro. Brian, what's that? You only got 6.
Well, when you gave the 2 points, it was on this side serving, so that's why I thought.
You got oxygen?
Again, to DJ. Oh, steal by Josh Walker. Turnover by DJ. Josh Walker. Again to AJ. Oh, to Josh. Good. Rebound by DJ. Go for 2.
Tayo eh.
Again, AJ.
Shot, Michael, shot,
Good
shot.
for 2 by who?
Go white, keep that, stop white, knee up.
DJ. Give the ball to Jason. To Vincent. Oh, good for two, Vincent.
Ang lakas. Nalagaw.
Ganun dapat, ganun.
Oh, to Richard. You know what, Richard?
Shoot mo na, Richard. Shoot mo.
Top for three. No good. Oh, this is rebound by MJ. Oh, Richard, jump shot. Woo! Oh, Richard. Oh, one ball. Time minute, 3 minutes, 12 seconds in first quarter. Top for three. No good. Oh, this is rebound by Josh Rucker. Oh, steal by Ronnie. Oh, another steal by Wu. Josh Rucker for three. Assist by Wu. Score 17-13. 5-point lead by Legends again. Number 1 team. Oh, to Josh. Wu.
Nice, Michael! Good job, Michael!
Yeah, Vincent for three. No good. Rebound by MJ. 12-13, 7-point lead. Zero. Josh. Richard. Wu. Richard. Richard. To Wu. Josh for three. Bang.
Yeah, buddy.
Assist by Wu again. Maybe 13. He's still hot. Come on. Still for 3 games already. Still hot. Again, Jason. Oh, to Fink. To Ronnie. To Fink. To Jason. There. Good job by Jason Brown. 20-15. Ender. Josh. Foul. Number 2, Jason first personal foul. Second team foul. 16 dollars for that team.
Shoot mo.
So Josh. To to Richard. MJ for three. Richard. No, shooting 3 points. Jason. Steal by Khan. Wu again. Josh. To top for three. No good. Out of bounds. And first one.
Grabe rin mo. Kahit anim kayo. Lamang pa rin kayo. Grabe, wala na nga si Ronnie.
Bay, saan start din natin karoon, Bay?
They got Dick D or you. Yeah, you sign that corner, that's gonna hit.
Tumakil kay may dua na.
Wala ko nito.
Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun?
Panito ay batong for third man to bay.
Ah, bago mo pero right?
Mauning na kuan sa akong pamabay. Wala ay siguro o kuan nila ang bata nga simpro nila na
Ganda yung bata, di ba? Grabe yung bata, tulog. Ba't lima?
sino ang bata sa ato abay? Ikaw?
Isa ra.
Wa man ito anak.
Atong bata ba, 23 years old ito ka. Tara dyan.
Si Francis? Ah, si Edwin?
Oh, rebound.
Kaya reklamo pa siya sa itong team. Patay taas, pero huwag kita'y bata. Wala kita'y bata, may. Like ka na nila, bata ka, Vincent ba, di ba? Ini, parang wala kang bata.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Kacay! Kacay!
this is my game. 20, 28, 25 minutes. Again, Lou, rebound by Kenneth. Kenneth, bring the ball to Jesus. Wow, Gotcha. Okay, foul.
Wala.
First,
By for two games.
First personal pa, wala. September 7 na tayo balik. Gamiton na ni. Yan. Nata sila hatag na 3 hours niya. Sinanamatag 4 hours kayo, 4 games mata. Wala na kwa.
okay, for three, rebound by Inge.
10 minutes.
15 seconds, 7 minutes, second quarter. Yes, to John Butler.
Josh Rocker niya for 3. Grabe. Josh!
Yeah, to David, good for two, my David. 22-31, halfway lead. Again, to Sam. Oh, steal by Jason. Good for two by Jason. And 4. Well, halfway lead by David. To Josh. To Sam. Oh, turnover. DJ. Chris. Oh, wow. Legends, one more timeout for Legends in first half. 2 timeouts for the City Slummers. Score is 31-26 by Legends, the number 1 team.
Vincent! Kita pa kayo si
Ganun eh. Ay. Tato, wala pa na ito. Puro bata na ito.
Ako ko din ko pa. Pero number 1 na ba eh. Bili na sa bata ba eh. Kaya nga kung sa scorer, kung kata ba, tanawa ba ya, kung hindi lang 2 games na to, nato si Andrew. Hindi ka kadaog. Kaya nga nag-iyahay ka. Kaya, huwag ka itong swerte ba?
Ay, karaman na first game ito.
Hindi unong. 6 players ta din. Ikaduha, 7 ta. Unong ta. Yeah.
Okay, 3 points by Brian Pasco. Chandler. 34-26, 8-point lead by Legends. 8 minutes, 25 seconds, time remaining in second quarter. Again, to the franchise, to DJ, to Jason. What's foul? 42, Josh Butler.
Josh Butler, second personal foul. 14 foul, Legends. Franchise, pakita mo na yung 3-point shooting mo, franchise.
27-34, 7-point lead by Legends. Again, boom.
To Brian. Brian for 3.
Good. Easy rebound by Tom. Josh. Yeah, 3-point shot.
No, three shots.
Foul, DJ.
Big team. He said, are we up? We're up, right? You know,
You're up.
no, Joseph, he goes, we're up, right? I don't know, what gym are you doing?
You're up. Yeah, they're 34. Here, White. You're here.
You don't even need to know the score. You know you're not up.
No, we gotta switch it out once it can happen.
Good. Josh, another 2-3.
You're home. Yeah, you're a guest that they're home. White. Black. Yeah.
Another people. With 1. For Josh.
Huwag na kayo. Bravo. Galit pa naman ako ngayon. Sab. Galit pa naman ako ngayon kasi hindi na-record yun sa amin first game. Yung first game na. Sayang. Kalimutan. Wala sa ako, wala sa sarili. Oo nga. Uy, sayang.
Kalimutin pa ito. Labas mo.
Franchise.
Steal by Wood! Steal! Oh!
Block by Wood. On a defense. Score is 36-27. 9-point lead by Legends. 9-point lead. Good. Okay. To Chris. Just nothing.
Third personal foul, Joshua. Time out, block. Third personal foul, Joshua. Third. 15 foul. Legends. Time out, block. Time out, 6 numbers. One time out for third.
Oh, he has three?
Yeah, he has 3.
You guys never gave it to Tom? You should only have two.
No, he got 3.
Oh, you got three?
Number 32. Not Tom, but Josh Rocker.
No, Tom got one.
Tom got 1.
Got one and
I can call one on him, and he called one.
No, he got 3.
He got me for that one that wasn't foul, and he's got me on the one that was.
No, he got 3.
Only two.
Because he got
No, he said the record. He said two.
because Tom got 1.
You gotta listen to the ref.
well, that's what you guys say. That's what we have. Okay, so he has three.
He got 3. He got 3.
They have two number 32s. That's what
No.
make sure you Yeah, I got Tom on the first one.
Yeah. Because they got 15 pounds. They got 15 pounds here.
I don't know. I know.
Yeah. I love you. Binilang ko yun eh. I know. He's in the account too. He got 3. I see it.
Saka yan.
Again, Chris. Franchise for three. No good again. Rebound by Richard. Pakita mo Richard yung lakas mo. Richard, shot ka. Ang ball. To Mike. Oh, out of bounds. Turnover.
Legit sila pa rin. Lakas, kahit atin lang. Wala pa kang bata. Tingnan mo. Yung atin may bata, Vincent. Yung ito, walang bata. Tingnan mo. Then may bata.
Turnover. Okay, time, go. Steal by Fish. To Preston.
Oh, what a save by John Walker. What a save.
Here, AJ. Richard. Josh with the ball. Josh Roberts. To Wu. To AJ. To Tom. Tom on three. No good. Rebound by Fish. To Vincent.
Okay, franchise for three. No good again.
Wu.
Turnover, Wu. 10 turnovers.
Fish. Jump shot. Over again. Rebound by Josh Roberts. To AJ. To Tom.
Over again. Pisipiba by Tom. Over again. Oh, pisipiba by Tom. 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Rolling for three. No good. Rebound by Josh again. Wu.
Aguero!
Fish. The ball. Fish. To Franchise.
Franchise for three.
No good. Franchise. To Fish. To Vincent. To Fish.
Jump shot. Over again.
Rebound by Richard. To AJ. Oh, steal by Fish. To Vincent. What a pass! So, Chris Corpus, assist by Vincent.
1 minute, 29 seconds.
And second quarter. 9.8 going, 9.8. Again, to Richard.
Pakita mo, Richard. Pakita mo.
Again, Tom. Oh, what a little by Tom. 40-29, little 40. 40-29 in the second quarter. Again, to Vincent. Pinaliwa pa.
Niliwa sa kanan. Ay, kanan. Kaliwa.
Inday.
41 seconds time remaining second quarter. 35 seconds. 30. Come. 25.
Rebound